Hello everybody. Today's topic is what is a computer virus and how can I protect my computer. I know everybody fear about the computer virus because it damages our computers and deletes our files and it makes our computer speed very slow. So everybody fear about the computer virus. Okay. So everybody want to know how we can protect our computer from virus. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you need to know what is a computer virus. Let's see the definition. Then again I will explain you. A computer virus is a malicious piece of computer code designed to spread from device to device, a subset of malware. These self-copying threats are usually designed to damage a device or steal data. So here students, it is very clear that virus is a malicious piece of computer code. Malicious means it is a bad program. Virus is a bad program and it is designed to spread device to device. Okay. These self-copying threats are usually designed to damage a device or steal data. What is the purpose to create such a bad program? The intention to create the virus to damage a device or steal data from the device. Think of biological virus, the kind that makes you sick. Students, another type of virus is a biological virus. How the biological virus works? It makes our body sick. It's persistently nasty, keeps you from functioning normally, and often requires something powerful to get rid of it. A computer virus is a very similar design to replicate relentlessly. Computer viruses infect your programs and files, alter the way your computer operates, or stop it from working altogether. So you have known that virus is a bad program, so it makes computer slow down and you need another program to protect your computer from the virus. If any virus enters, it replicates. Replicates means it makes many copies. Suppose one virus enters in your computer, then it will replicate itself and becomes 3, 4 and up to millions of the virus. So if you do not protect your computer from the virus, it will replicate again and again and it will slow down the computer and it will alter your useful softwares and files. You will not be able to open your files and your softwares will stop functioning normally, or your software or application may not be available to use. Next topic, what does a computer virus do? Some computer viruses are programmed to harm your computer by damaging programs, deleting files, or reformatting the hard drive. Students, sometimes computer virus is more dangerous to your computer. It is very harmful for your computer. Why? Because it damages your softwares. Okay, when virus enters, your software will not work. You will not be able to open the software. It will delete your files without your permission, and sometimes it formats the hard disk. Okay, you will not be able to access your hard disk data. Others simply replicate themselves or flood a network with traffic, making it impossible to perform any internet activity. If virus enters in your computer, you will not be able to access internet because it blocks the network. Even less harmful computer viruses can significantly disturb. Some viruses are less harmful. Some viruses are less harmful and disturb your system performance, but it slow down the system speed. Okay. Sapping computer memory and causing frequent computer crashes. Sometimes you see your computer hangs many times. The reason is virus. Virus makes the computer hang and it doesn't respond to your keyboard, mouse and other operations. In 2013, the botnet virus Game Over GS was discovered to use peer-to-peer downloading sites to distribute ransomware and commit banking fraud. While tens of thousands of computer viruses still roam the internet, they have diversified their methods and are now joined by a number of malware variants like worms, trojans, and ransomware. Students, the great attack of computer virus was in 2013. Okay, the name was botnet virus. It disturbs banking services and banking frauds. Nowadays, some popular viruses are there. Their names are malware variants like worms, trojans, and ransomware. These viruses are still present in internet. So we need to protect our computer and we should install antivirus systems in our computer and mobile phone. Next, how does a computer get a virus? It's a very interesting topic. How virus enters in a computer. Even if you are careful, you can pick up computer virus through normal web activities like sharing music files or phones with other users. So if you are sharing your music files and photos, virus is also shared because virus is attached with the file. When you share the file, virus is also shared. Visiting an infected website. If any website is infected, any website is having the virus, and if you are opening those websites, virus enters in your computer. Opening spam mails, emails, or an email attachment. If any spam email is in your inbox and if you try to open, the virus is downloaded automatically on your computer. Some email these viruses are automatically attached with email and they move from one place to another place, means one computer to another computer. Downloading free games, toolbars, media players and other system utilities. When you download any free games, toolbars or media players or movies, these viruses are attached with the file, and when you try to download these files, viruses are also downloaded in your computer. Installing mainstream software applications without thoroughly reading license agreements. Some softwares are freely available on the internet. If you download those free softwares, then viruses are also downloaded because there is you do not read license agreements, so those bad programs also are installed in your computer. How do computer virus spread? This is again interesting topic. How virus spread? Viruses can be spread several ways, including via networks, disks, email attachment, external storage devices like USB sticks. There are so many mediums to spread the virus. For example, through network or internet, disk. When you bring the CD, DVD from shops and you use it in a laptop or computer, virus comes. Through email, virus move from one place to another place through email attachments, and storage devices like you use pen drives, then viruses also moves. Since connections between devices were once far more limited than other today, early computer viruses were commonly spread through infected floppy disks. When people were using floppy disk, then viruses also moved from floppy disk. Today, links between internet enabled devices. Today we are highly use the internet links. These links also spread the viruses, providing ample opportunity for virus to spread. According to the US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, infected email attachments are the most common means of circulating computer virus. According to US Cybersecurity, most of the virus is spread from email attachments. Most, but not all, computer viruses require a user to take some form of action like enabling macros or clicking a link to spread. So such type of viruses are spread through macros or links. Without a particular action is performed by the user, a virus cannot be activated itself. So I hope you have understood what is virus, how a virus spreads, what are the damages caused by the virus. So if you are interested in such a topic, to gain the knowledge, subscribe this YouTube channel, share the video with your friends so that they should know what is virus and they can protect their computer from virus, and like the video so that whenever I post such a video related to technology, you get the notification and you may be updated about the technology. Thank you very much. We will meet when I post my next video on such a technology related to computer. Thank you very much.